Friends, my name is Syed Shahbaz. In this video, I'm going to give you a good news. But before that, you know that today everybody is talking about AI, artificial intelligence or generative AI. In fact, we have now two groups in the world. One very concerned and pessimistic about AI and its impact on jobs. And the fact is that according to World Economic Forum, millions of jobs are going to be impacted by AI. But another group is very optimistic and very positive about the opportunities what AI has brought. And in fact, they are trying to leverage AI. Today, in fact, AI can be used by every profession. Today, in fact, AI has proved that it is going to increase productivity, efficiency, and creativity of every individual person. Today, if you want to make use of AI in your own domain, your own profession, or you want to build a career in AI, you not only require normal regular training program, but you require a complete platform. And that's what I was talking about, the good news. We are launching our digital platform called AI Buddy, which is going to be your true companion in your journey with AI. Well, you would like to learn about artificial intelligence, or you want to get latest up-to-date information about AI, or you're looking for job opportunities, freelancing or entrepreneurship opportunities, or you are looking for information related to events, to upskill or reskill yourself, this particular platform is going to provide you. So this is going to be one single platform related to all AI stuff. Well, if you would like to know more about the exact launch date and the more features about this particular product called AI Buddy, you please visit our website called aibuddy.online. So you will find the link here in this video. Well, in upcoming videos, we'll be also giving you more detail, more features about our product. Thank you for watching this video.
Subscribe for more content.